What's up, guys? Welcome back to the bench. Here for, after a long time, a full review after the build of Academy's TBF-1 Avenger. How much was this? Well, I took the price tag off, but as you can see, I went for a two-tone, I guess you could say. A little bit about this kit. Let's get this out of the way for a minute. We'll show you that here in a second. I picked this up pretty cheap. I've been looking for an Avenger build. And this one was pretty cheap. So I was at the hobby shop. I picked it up probably about a month ago. It's been sitting in the stash. I'd looked up the scale mates and stuff, and part of me wondered if the kit was going to be any good. Just because it's that old, it showed it was old, but you know what, guys? It was crisp. It's kind of your standard Academy instructions. You know, everything goes all together at once. These little rectangle sprues. You know, these boxes are actually pretty nice. You know, fit well on a shelf. But when I checked this out, first off, I do need to apologize for being gone for so long. I did take a little bit of a break, but this kind of got me back in. I really didn't have to do much detail work, you know, besides scribing in some panel lines where I'd sanded. But yeah, it comes on 4 sprues. The fuselage, which is where I tend to find the most work having to be done when you meet the two together, was pretty good. This turret is, well, let me show you. This turret, let's see if we can get you in the light here. You can see it's pretty square there. I know this is the good side. Pretty even there. And then this side is pretty crooked. Admittedly, it did not have the panel lines or the frame lines for the window. So I kind of had to make my own. And I was a little off. So there's that. And then the pilot is, well, I can't be too mad because at least this one comes with a pilot for, I think I paid 15 bucks for this kit. And then there is really no cockpit, but you know, I mean, I was planning on doing this in flight mode because it came with the stand. And that is something that I think all kits should have the option of, is a stand. So I mean, you can't see in there anyway, but so I just painted it zinc chromate and called it good. So you can kind of see if I keep it in the light here, I went for that two-tone, you know, dark sea blue and then like a medium blue, and then I've got the insignia white on the bottom. I felt like it was pretty top heavy. I don't think it was going anywhere, but I've got kids, so just to be safe, I had some fishing magnets. I probably shouldn't have used these split shot ones or these goblin ones that you twist, but it's just what I had, and I thought it'd be a nice way to keep her weighed down. So yeah, I used Tamiya sea blue and medium blue. Let's get this over here. And then, since I have it, this is the Federal Standard color, insignia white. That's basically it, guys. Oh, obviously used the Tamiya yellow and Tamiya yellow green for the inside. So what can I say? Pretty solid kit, all things aside. I mean, it went together good. The decals, well, I was going to go for a weathered build, but I had a little trouble. I don't know. I got in an earlier video I showed the chipping medium going on. I definitely applied it too wide of an area, so it just looked like I fingerprinted it off. So I just kind of varnished it off, and I just painted over it, and I just went for more of a clean build. I did sink it in streaking grime just to and then I let it dry. One thing that was kind of a mistake but ended up being good on my part is I didn't varnish over the decals, and I put this on it and I let it dry overnight, and when I rubbed it off, it had eaten away that top like carrier film, and so I mean the decals just turned out probably better than anything I've ever done. I am thinking about doing that again. You know, hopefully it wasn't just unique, but like these panel lines and stuff you can see, so that it looks painted on. I didn't do that. It just ate it away, and then when I pulled that coat off, it came off with it, and I thought it looked great. So it's definitely something I'll try again. So yeah, I would say if you've got the desire to build a 172 Avenger and you're not too particular about the inside, this is a great kit. It's a quick build. Minus, you know, that's a lot of windows to tape up and this, but anything that comes with a stand is great for the shelf, because I would say most of my kits are with the landing gear down. I really haven't made my own stand yet. That is something I plan on doing in the future, just so I can feel like I have the choice. So that's pretty much it. I highly recommend this kit. I am working on this ICM kit. A lot of work is going into this one. Definitely some sanding and stuff still going on. The plastic is very soft. I don't know if I like it or not yet. It definitely makes the what's it called, the prep work easier. Like, I don't have to sand it as hard or as long, but it's coming along good, and it's a plane I'm way outside what I normally do, so it's kind of nice to keep it fresh. But anyways, guys, I'll see you next time. Let me know what you're working on. Let me know what you think of the build, and we'll see you in the next one.